पयले सदाक म्हणटा तुका कितें नोटीस पाहिलेले
ना ना काय नोटीस नाही.
कांयच नोटीस ना तुका
काय notice
तुमकां कोण मेवलेले रेल्वेचे
नाही.
ओके बिकॉज एक व्हडलें काम तुमचे प्रॉपर्टीत स्टार्ट जाला एक अंडरपास तुमचे डायरेक्ट तुमचे प्रॉपर्टी भितर सरता तुमकां कांयच नोटीस ना कांयच इन्फॉर्मेशन कांय इंटिमेशन ना ओके सर्वे नंबर कितें हो
Not even verbal, not even in written. काय नाही.
वॉट इज युअर सर्वे नंबर
My survey number is 2/6, 2/8.
2/6 2/8
Kansali village.
कासाला विलेज पंचायत ओके ओके आतां म्हाका सांग हें केन्ना कळलें तुका हिंगा काम स्टार्ट जाता तें
On 20th November 2025. 20th November.
मातशें व्हडल्यान उलय आवाज
I was passing by this side.
ओके
That was when I saw somebody had broken my compound wall and entered in.
ओके
So I गाड़ी park केली. I entered in. And that time I found a JCB and some officials. When I confronted them,
या
they told me that they are from RBNL
ओके
in the property.
या
And they accepted, admitted it along with the contractor who was there, who was present there. The officials admitted that they had, they demolished the compound to make an entry into the property. And there was trees over here. It's over here actually. There were trees over here.
ओके
I have photographs which I attached and then I complained to the Karna police station.
So that happened and today's date. Today
And then I
this
followed up. Every day I've been coming. They have been just doing little more. They're breaking more and they're saying, first, the day that I confronted, they're telling, one of the officials of the RBNL is telling me first that when I confronted, he said, you go to court. They're objecting, you go to court. This is intimidating actually. the person. This is
so
what he did.
so I'm not able to understand one thing. They don't have any intimation to you. They are no letter from you or nothing. They just enter with their
Even today when we confronted the RBNL general manager, he says acquisition is not done. He's admitting it.
not done.
It's not done. He's admitting it.
So now why isn't police you are not
We
complaining
have
to police?
complained to the police on 20th. Yesterday another letter
Today
was
now?
made. I met him in person. Today even we told to the police, the PI of Verna, we have told him they were, to take action. Yesterday also we met him in person. I met him in person. Wherein I told him, he said, I want to, along with photographs, this is the second letter.
Yes.
Okay. First letter was on 20th. He
Yeah.
said, I have to study. He said I have to study. I will discuss it with my DFISP. From Gurmukh.
So today this started today. Now when this
I
work
have
start?
written even in my letter, it is a criminal trespass, register in FIR, which is mandatory. That is the first protocol.
Has
which
the
has
police
to do.
registered
He
it?
still not done it. Yesterday when I confronted and asked him again,
Yeah.
he said I will discuss it with the DFISP.
So where are the cops now? You have
Cops are
informed.
there actually. They were up on the railway platform.
Have
So
they
now
not
the-
asked them the papers? They have not asked them the papers.
They have not asked.
So magistrate is
We have
supposed to
asked.
come, no?
Magistrate is supposed to come. We are still waiting for him. He still not come.
So the work is
The
continuing.
work is continuing. They are breaking. First it was broken. So that the JCB goes in. Today they have made it wide open, like as if it is a national highway to be done here. You can see that the amount of. Then there was a nala also here, which they have buried.
Okay.
They have buried the nala.
Buried the nala. You can see that.
That's
As per
against.
the plan, there are two. I have two survey numbers which I mentioned.
So in between there was a nala.
There's a nala here.
They covered the
They
nala.
covered it. As you can see, this is what is holding. It just looks as one. And if they have acquired, if they are saying that RBNL GM, who is Mr. Sahu, he's saying, he's admitting that he has not still acquired the land.
So the
He's not acquired.
acquisition is in process.
He's saying it's not acquired
Yeah.
till now. And is it acquired? Another question, is this much acquired? That you can see. Getting mentioned what is his area and what is each survey number and what is he occupying.
So what will be a future course of action?
Now I have complained to the authorities, so I'm looking at the authorities taking action, and I've trust in the system. The justice will be done. Justice will be done here, and they will anyhow today. They are still waiting. They have to remove the machinery out because there is no return, there is no intimation to me, nothing. They have just brought in. They are expanding and just forcibly trying to grab the entire land. My point is very simple. If this has to be done, this is a project for the public. I'm a public. There are so many villages of the public. We all live. I live in the same village. That is South.